In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit a report in Expensify. Submitting a report is the final step that sends your expenses to the right people for approval and, if applicable, reimbursement. I'll walk you through each screen so you know exactly what to click, what to check, and how to confidently submit. Start on the home page. This is the main dashboard where you'll see your recent activity and quick links. From here, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the navigation menu. Click Reports. This opens a list of your available reports, including open, processing, and submitted ones depending on your account and status. If you have a lot of items, use the search at the top of the page to quickly narrow things down. You can type keywords, dates, or report names to find the exact report you need. Sorting by date is helpful if you're working on your most recent expenses, and filtering by type keeps the list clean and relevant. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for, clear any filters and try a broader search. Then refine again. Once you've found the report you want to submit, click it to open the detailed view. This is where you should take a moment to carefully review everything. Confirm the report title and the policy it's associated with, especially if your organization uses more than one policy. Check the total amount and scan the list of expenses inside the report. Make sure dates, categories, and merchants look correct. If receipts are required, verify they're attached and legible. Notes can be important for clarity, so ensure any required memos are filled in and that the descriptions make sense to an approver who wasn't there. If you see any flags or violations, address them now by fixing the data or removing the incorrect item. It's also a good idea to confirm the approver or submit to field is set as expected, so the report routes to the right person. When everything looks good, click Submit. You'll typically find the Submit button at the top right of the report page. After you click, you should see a confirmation or a status change indicating the report has been submitted. If the button is missing or grayed out, the report may already be submitted, closed, or require a quick fix before submission. Resolving any highlighted issues usually enables the button. That's it. You've moved your report from review to approval. If you need to keep working, head back to the reports list to submit another one or monitor the status of this report as it progresses through approval.